Okay, I think I figured it out. This is the check valve. Well, this is the check valve. It held up real well. I've got a length of pipe that basically keeps it aligned up so that when the valve settles down it seats and the vibration wiggled it loose. So when the valve itself would drop down, it was dropping at an angle, I wouldn't get a seal. I can't actually have this permanently attached because I can't fit it into the T. I need to separate it. So I've got a new plan. I've got a little nipple here. I'm going to drill a hole through there to put a cotter pin through. I'm going to screw it in here into the check valve, then give it a couple tack welds so it can't come loose. Then I've got this 1/4" pipe which slips inside there. Fits pretty good. I'll drill a hole using the first hole I drilled in the 1/2" pipe to go through the 1/4" pipe. I've got a stainless steel cotter pin that's pretty heavy duty. I'm going to slip this plastic tube inside here so that I can actually have two lengths of the 1/4" nipple. That gets me past all the fittings and stuff down into a straight section of 3" pipe. I'm going to leave a little gap here for flexibility so once again I can slip it into there. I run the tube through there to take out the slack, then run the steel cable inside the tube, and then at this point about 3 inches lower I'll put a little U-clamp. Oh, there it is. So that when I have to dismantle this thing I can let go of the tube, it'll only drop a few inches. I can fit my hand in there, pull it up, put it back into the check valve and reinsert the T, and then do that all in reverse if I ever need to pull the thing out. I'm also going to substitute this little length of chain here at the end of the cable for a longer length. I need the chain so that I can adjust the check valve there so it's in the center of the T because that's where the most volume is. There's it's almost a sphere in the center of that T, and that'll allow the most amount of sand to travel past it. If it goes up too high, it starts sealing itself off, and if it's too low, it seals itself off. So by rough guesstimating with the lengths or pulling it up, I can put a pin through there, but I'm going to substitute that cable for a solid chain all the way down just to get some added weight on the check valve. The first one was pretty heavy, but this is so light that I'm thinking just the turbulence of shooting in water off the priming line might pull it up off its seat. So a little bit of weight on there is going to help it out, I hope. First thing I'm going to do is drill a hole through this little piece here. So I've actually ground, oh, there it is, ground a little flat space. I'm going to see if I can get a hole through there and then start assembling the thing, and then it's too late in the day to run it. I'll have to wait till tomorrow and get it all hooked up, and then hopefully the thing should be working. We'll see. Okay, I'm standing at the bottom of the hole. Got that nice echo sound. There's a new check valve all installed. I got a I forget what that fitting is, but it comes apart so I can get access to the check valve if it ever plugs up or something. I need some more lighting down here. Probably too dark to see the underside of the house. That's the bottom of the lid. Concrete everywhere. And that's just black. That goes under the house a ways. No lighting yet. Very dark.